And now for something completely different. I'm in here to photograph Anton, who's the new surgeon that's moved into town, but also to photograph the mural that I've got on the wall here. We've taken one of my pictures, the panoramic one that I've stitched 13 shots together of the mountain ranges and put it on the wall here on wallpaper, and it is amazing. I'm blown away by it. It's 14 meters long, but we'll go in and have a look at that. So it's quite incredible. It's over here in Bright, but this is the new rooms and this is the mural here. But I'll take you for a bit of a walk down and we'll have a look at it. This is amazing. This is 14.5 meters long, I think. And it is incredible. It's a wallpaper. Its finish is amazing. It's really good. So it's a photo, well it's actually 13 photos that I've stitched together from, that's Mount Emu there, and it goes right through to Mount Bogong, through the whole thing, right to Mount Feathertop at the other end there. And I do have another one with the names on it and everything, but this is the bigger version. So, that's incredible. Look at the size of that. It's huge.